Hello my amigos and amigas! Just another day with me! Before anything else, I'm so confident kasi sa ilalim ng Poncho Pilato kong suot ay ito ang pang-ilalim ko. Backless pa. Para ako nagve-vape sa umagang tagpuan na ito kasi sobrang lamig talaga sa labas na halos umuusok ng hininga mo. Second day! Ang super lamig. Sa second day namin, binago ng tour guide ang aming tour since kaya namin puntahan by walking yung mga nasa itinerary. Kaya naman, he decided na sa Chronicles of Georgia na lang kami pupunta. Medyo malayo din, mga 1 and 30 minutes din ang biyahe namin, pero worth it ba? We will only be staying here ng 20 minutes for pictures and videos. Sapat na din naman talaga yung oras. Napakaganda din niya. This is some of my shots in the group drone shot. The Chronicles of Georgia is a massive, incomplete monument near Tbilisi Sea. It features 16 towering pillars depicting Georgian kings, queens, heroes, and biblical scenes. This is also called Georgia's Stonehenge. This unique open-air site remains a significant. It's free to visit, showcasing national heritage. Bye-bye! We're walking down na kasi until 11:20 lang kami pwede dito and we're going to the next destination. Next stop is the Jayvari Monastery, which is malayo din ang biyahe from the first venue. Hoy, nasa tukto kami ng bundok. Mukha lang akong okay, pero yung hangin pumapasok sa Poncho Pilato ko. Diyos ko, ramdam na ramdam ko ang lamig paakyat ng church. Ang sabi ng tour guide, hanggang ngayon daw is ginagamit pa rin nila ang Great Church na to. This church represents the peak of this architectural typology and serves as a model of numerous other churches. This is one of the most sacred places in all of Caucasus. This is beautiful and well-preserved monastery with a very peaceful atmosphere. About 30 minutes drive, karating kami sa Svetitskoye Cathedral in Meskhetiya, Georgia. Madali lang puntahan ito by car, featuring cobbled streets, souvenir shops, and local eateries around the cathedral. Dito kami tinuro ng aming tour guide kung saan kami makakabili ng traditional sweet ng Georgia. Ito ang Georgian sweet, focus on fruits, nuts, honey, and wine. Also known as churchkela. It's a candle-shaped candy of nuts dipped in thickened grape juice, earning it to the nickname Georgian Snickers. Masarap siya and matitikman mo yung different flavors. Perfect pang pasalubong. Madami ka rin makikitang souvenirs, fruits na pwede mong bilhin. Habang nagtatakaw nga kami, may nakapansin pa ng aming dalang DJI Osmo Pocket 3.
Osmo Pocket.
Yeah.
Where are you from, guys?
Philippines.
One or three. We're gonna say hi to
Hi! This is a good one. Lovely corner with tasteful self-made chimneys served with ice cream or fruits or different styles. What we order is chimney Nutella for 20 lari. Super peaceful ng lugar na to. Hindi nga lang namin pinasok yung simbahan kasi may ongoing mass pa. After a cute journey, lunchtime, our tour guide asked our permission to have a group lunch. 39 per person ang pinabayaran sa amin. Napakaganda din ng restaurant na to. Kaso nakalimutan ko lang yung tawag. By the way, share ko lang, kakaiba ang WC nila. Kung flexible ka, this country is for you. We ate the traditional foods of Georgia like kinkali, ajab sandali, and many more. So ayun na nga, maaga kami nakauwi galing sa tour today. Sabi ng guide, kailangan daw namin magpahinga agad kasi bukas kailangan namin ng 101% energy. Grabe ang pressure. Pero syempre, kami pa ba? Since maaga pa, we decided to roam around our area muna and explore on our first stop, the Bridge of Peace. Of course, picture muna and konting videos kasi ang ganda talaga. Lalo na pag nakita mo siya in person. And guess what? Walking distance lang din from here ang cable car na magdadala sa amin sa Mother of Georgia. So talagang sinulit na namin. While nasa cable car kami, kitang-kita yung City of Georgia from above. Grabe, sobrang ganda, parang postcard vibes talaga. Nakaka-amaze. I'm sorry. Ay hindi! Hindi tayo magiging singer dito. Tourist lang tayo, hoy. Habang naglalakad-lakad, napabili ako ng pomegranate juice, guys. 20 lari to ha. Mahal na yan. Nakakaloka. Pero masarap naman. Mga 2 lagukan ko nga lang ata. Nakakabiti. After all that walking and sightseeing, finally, we reached the Mother of Georgia. Super iconic, super powerful ng presence niya. Worth it lahat ng lakad, pagod, at even yung 20 lari juice. Hindi pa pala natatapos ang araw namin. From the Mother of Georgia, sumakay ulit kami ng cable car pababa kasi honestly, kung hahagdanin mo to, baka lumpukan na bago mag-dinner. Pagbaba namin, dinner time na and guess what? December 24, kaya alam mo na. So, we decided to treat ourselves to a fine dining restaurant. Mura lang naman din compared sa ibang restaurant. Pero if gusto nyong mas makatipid, madami talagang restaurant dito na mas budget friendly. We ate at Ribs and Puri, and of course, may wine pa. Grabe, habang kumakain kami, parang paulit-ulit naming sinasabi, nasa ibang bansa talaga tayo. Habang nagsasaya mga tao sa Pilipinas, kami naman dito, tahimik, pero punong-puno ng saya. Habang kumakain kami, paulit-ulit naming sinasabi, thank you Lord for all the blessings. Since malapit lang naman yung hotel sa kinainan namin, we decided na maglakad pa uwi. Mga 10 to 15 minutes walk lang din naman, kaya sabi namin, why not? And honestly, tama talaga yung desisyon namin. Habang naglalakad kami, mas nakita namin yung ganda ng Georgia. From the buildings, the shops, hanggang sa tahimik na streets.
Ano ba daw? Ba't Budawri? Ano Budawri? Ano ba? Bakoreani. Bakoreani. Ano ba yung Budawri?
Yung mga ilaw, yung design ng mga buildings, and even yung simpleng mga tindahan, ang ganda nilang tingnan lalo na sa gabi.
And now, we're coming back to where we came from kasi we have a saying in the Filipino, ang hindi marunong tumingin sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makararating sa pinaroonan. Katulad ngayon, naliligaw na kami dahil sa GPS namin.
Hindi siya maingay, hindi rush, parang lahat slow lang, calm, and peaceful. Sometimes, yung pinaka-simple moments like walking pa
Fall
uwi,
in love with the city. Although not all of the people are approachable because I think you will feel that they are rude or what. Because they are not smiling. You see? Here's a car with full of Christmas lights. You see? This one. Woo!
sila pa yung pinaka-memorable. Why? Kasi nalumpo sila. Georgia, thank you for this beautiful night.